So I've got all our ingredients set up right here. When I make a ham sandwich, this is what I do for myself. Now you can't see it, but we just put the bread in the toaster, pop that bad boy down. We're gonna do ham. I don't like to buy pre-sliced ham from the store. Pre-sliced stuff is expensive. If you just buy yourself like a 2-pound ham and chop it up yourself, you can get a lot more bang for your buck that way. Assuming you're gonna eat the whole thing. So you really have to know you're gonna go through it or have a house with a lot of people. You could always slice it up, throw some in the freezer, team it up with some cheddar, Hellman's mayo, it's the classic, the Grey Poupon. Save that money on the ham so that we can spend it on that fancy mustard, which is important to me. And if it's not, if you like French's, go for it, man. And if you hate mustard, that's cool too. Nobody's perfect. Load one of these breads up with some mayo. Cool. Some mustard on the other side. And then we're just gonna spread out the ham here. You can go crazy with it if you want. I'm gonna put a lot on there. I deserve nice things today. Ooh, you know what? We're just gonna eat this one. Worth it. If I have baby spinach around, or any kind of spinach, we just slam that guy together. And there we are. Ham Sammy. It took what, 5 minutes? And yeah, you could have saved 3 or 4 minutes by making an inferior sandwich, but you deserve nice things. We're basically trying to get High Chieftain Julian to like us so that we can get an heir to our kingdom, which is gonna be necessary. That sandwich is so good.